Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. The Rhino MTD self-assessment feature lets you manage an unlimited number of sole trader businesses, UK properties and foreign properties in one app. It will maintain your digital records, or alternatively you can use a spreadsheet. Rhino will submit your quarterly updates, and you can trigger a tax calculation at any time. You do not need to wait until the end of the year. You can also submit your year-end figures, for example bank interest, dividends, etc. Once you are happy, you can even finalize your end-of-year tax submission. In this video we will illustrate how to enable the Making Tax Digital self-assessment feature in Rhino. To enable the MTD self-assessment feature, you must log into your Rhino account. Click on the Rhino menu and select your features. Scroll down and select the MTD ITSA option. When you select this option, Rhino will check if you have upgraded your license to enable this feature. If you have not added ITSA to your Rhino account, the system will ask if you wish to upgrade your account. If you have not already added the self-assessment feature to your Rhino account, the system will ask if you wish to upgrade your account. We have tried to minimize the cost to our customers by letting customers simply add the new self-assessment feature to their existing license. This avoids having to upgrade your license and potentially paying for features that you may not need. To add the Rhino self-assessment feature, click the Edit button, and enable the Add MTSA self-assessment feature toggle. Click the Upgrade button to add the feature to your account. Next, you will need to confirm the type of business you currently have in Rhino. You can select from any of the following: limited company, self-employment business, UK property or foreign property. Note: if you select limited company, Rhino will prompt you to log out and to create a separate Rhino or DIY tax account for your personal use. This is because it is not good practice to have both limited company information and your personal tax information in one account. If you currently manage more than one business in Rhino, you can align each business with a business category that is permitted by HMRC. Note: remember, this is upgrading your existing Rhino account. Most of our customers currently manage only one business in their Rhino account. You can enable and add other types of business once you have completed the upgrade process. Customers have the option to select if they wish to categorize their expenses. See the notes on the screen. Click on the Do you wish to continue option, which will enable the Finish button at the bottom of the screen. We include this step to avoid customers clicking on the Finish button by accident. This will complete the MTD self-assessment upgrade process. Note: this upgrade process will import a predefined list of expenses types that you must use when submitting your monthly MTD self-assessment return. Rhino will deactivate your existing expense types and replace them with the new expenses types. Rhino will not delete your data. You can still report on the old expense types that you used prior to the MTD self-assessment upgrade. Once you have finished the upgrade process, the following changes will be made to your system. You will see a new My Business menu option, where you add and edit your self-employment business and property details. You will also use this menu to make your ITSA quarterly submissions. You will also see a new MTD ITSA menu option, where you will connect the app to your personal HMRC account. This is a one-off exercise. You can also use this menu to add other income like bank interest, dividends, etc. Our plan is to add the other income types so that you can complete your tax return via this easy-to-use app. Note: your existing expense types will have been flagged as inactive, i.e. we do not update your existing expense entries, but we do add the new expenses types permitted by HMRC. We have tried to make this process as simple as possible. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.